So here's how this all began. I have my truck. I have a K24A2 in the back of the truck that I picked up from a local JDM shop. We're gonna do a bunch of testing with it. You guys have already seen that video. But the problem is I have it in the back of the truck and I need to take it out of the truck and basically put it in my backyard until I go down and actually do the testing. The problem is I don't have an engine hoist here at my house. Now the easy way to do this, the right way to do this, is to drive over to Harbor Freight and buy an engine hoist and come over and lift it out. But that's no fun. Let me show you what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking we got the engine in the back of the truck, we got our stand, and you guys are gonna like this. My neighbor has a tree. So I'm thinking if I run something up to the tree, I've got to come along, I can jack this thing up, pull the motor out, set it down on a little rolling cart. It's all good. Here's what I got. So I got this from Harbor Freight years and years ago. Also got these, and I got this. And you guys might be wondering why I have this stuff. This was actually from back when I was doing American Ninja Warrior. This was actually my slack line. I would set it up, and I'll show you guys a little video here. I would set it up usually between two trees. We would wrap these around the tree, hook them to these hooks right here, tighten the thing up, and then we could use it as a slack line. And the reason I got this is because buying it from Harbor Freight is a lot cheaper than buying a slack line. And plus I can use this stuff, you know, to tow other vehicles with and stuff. But I've also got this come along. I'm thinking that that thing's rated at, I don't know, 6,000 or 8,000 pounds. I can certainly, I know they're not designed to lift stuff up, but I think I could use this to lift the engine up using that tree. Let's find out if it's true. Milo. Hello, what are you doing? You gonna help? You gonna help? Huh? Maya, you gonna help? You guys gonna help? There you go. Let's go. Let's go lift it up. Come on, let's go lift it up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Get those squirrels. Get that squirrel. So I went over and talked to my neighbors and told them, hey, I'm gonna do something really stupid with your tree. They said, hey, knock yourself out. We're used to you doing dumb stuff, so no problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get the come along piece up over the big branch, and then I'll have to adjust it so I can get the ratcheting mechanism up there and hopefully lift this thing out. Let's find out what happens. Almost. So now what we got to do is adjust the height so I can get the come along and hopefully lift this thing out. Let's figure it out. So we're getting everything prepped, getting everything lined up, get the height right and everything so I can jack it up. You know what's the awesome thing? This thing still has the seat belt on it, which is the thing that everybody that goes to the wreck yard knows, that whenever you pull a motor out, you pull it out with an old seat belt. You cut the seat belt, attach it, because they don't break. They're really strong. Let's check it out. It's up. Now we're gonna have to figure out how to get it back down. So the idea will be to lower this down onto my little rolling cart. We'll put our stand back in there, set it down nice and easy. Let's find out if this all works. Lost the spring on my Harbor Freight tool. It's in the danger zone. And just like that, she's down. Take a look. Nice little Harbor Freight engine hoist. Nature provides. Now we're going to see how well my flat tires work. Apparently not very well. I better fill those up. Probably a good idea to check the tires before you put the motor in it. When you're using your neighbor's tree to pull your engine, organization is the key to success. I'm not sure our little garden wagon was rated for engines. Seems to be working though. Whoa! Okay guys, as you can see, you can definitely use your neighbor's tree in a pinch as an engine hoist. We got the motor out of the truck. It's sitting back here. I'm just waiting for a call back from the guys over at Skunk. I'm going to take this baby down, put it up on the dyno, and start testing. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff. I'll keep testing.